Hello, how are you today?
You and me?
I can't see you. We can't see you. Can you see Vani?
No.
Yeah, no, we can't see you. Where are you? I think you're hiding behind that black. I don't know what that is. What's that? Rabbit is eating. What are you eating, Rabbit?
Yum, 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 yum.
It is so yummy. What's that? Tofu. Tofu? You like tofu? Wow, that's great. Wow. What about Lim? Did you eat already, Lim?
Oh,
Did you eat already, Lim? Not yet.
Eat. Pizza.
Yes, very good.
Pizza.
Yes.
Eat right. Right.
And you're eating rice too.
Hello, teacher.
Oh, hello, Muklan. How are you today?
Hi, today happy.
You're saying, I am happy.
I am happy.
Very good. And how are you feeling? Are you feeling hot or cold?
Hot.
Hot. All right. Are you ready?
Yeah.
Yes, very good. High five. Okay, what about Vanny? We can't see you, Vanny. Why are you hiding? Vanny, oy, where are you? What about Nuklan? Did you eat already, Nuklan? Finish eat?
Ah.
Not yet? Yes? No? Yes.
Yeah.
Yeah. Wow. Very good, Nuklan. Well done. Okay, what about Vanny? What is going on? There you are. Why is it? What happened to your face? There you are. Well done. We can see you now. Okay, everyone. Lim, Rabbit, Muklan, and Vanny, are you ready?
Yeah.
Yes. Who's not here yet?
I don't know.
Vic is not here yet. Who else?
Cho ăn bánh ngựa.
Suandang is not here yet. And Anzwang, right? So,
Hello,
oh, Vic
teacher.
here. Hello, Vic. How are you today?
I'm happy.
You're happy. Did you eat already?
Yes.
Yes. What did you eat?
Nodi.
Noodles. Did you eat noodles?
No.
What did you eat?
Watermelon.
Watermelon. Ah, I like watermelon. We had papaya as well a while ago. What about Vanny? Finish eating, Vanny?
No.
Not
I'm
yet?
just eating.
Oh, you're eating. Just like Rabbit. Rabbit is also eating. Lim and Ngoklan, they are finished
Teacher,
eating
this is
already.
a funny cake. A horse cake.
What is
A
that? Are
horse
you
cake.
what cake is that? What do you call that cake?
Cake that looks like a horse.
A cake that looks like a horse. Who made that cake? Did you buy it or mom baked it?
I buy it.
You bought it. Oh, does it taste nice?
Really nice.
Really not. That's good. Okay, since you are all ready, can you see my screen, everyone?
Mm-hmm.
Mm-hmm. What about Nuklan? Can you see my screen? Yes?
Yeah.
Yes, very good. Thank you, Nuklan. What about Lim? Can you see my screen, Lim?
Yay.
Yes, very good. Okay, so now let's move here. Ooh, who can tell me where is this place?
This is a park.
Yes, very good. At the park. Very good. And what about at the park? What can you do at the park?
You can eat picnic at the park. See the flower. I see the flower. And
Yeah, it looks like, what is that? It looks like a sausage, right? It looks like a sausage. I'm not sure about the name of that flower. We are going to search later if we have.
delicious.
Okay,
You
how
want
many
to try?
do you see at the park?
Mình chỉ có cho nó thêm một chút nữa thôi.
How many people do you see?
I see 4 people.
Very good. There are 4 people. How many boys are there?
It's 2. It's
2 boys and 2 girls. Very good. Okay, can you tell me where is the duck?
The duck is where the duck is on a
In the why is that?
I don't know. Không, cầm mắt vào.
Okay, the duck is in the pond, right? Right here. In the pond. Okay, very good. And what is the boy and the man doing?
The boy in the is
They are playing. What are they playing? They're playing the ball. I know, but it doesn't look like a football, right? Or a soccer ball. So maybe they are playing a ball. All right. What about where is the blue ball? Danny, where is?
I don't know. That's 2 blue balls.
Yes, very good. And what about where is this ball?
It's next to the
Next to the, maybe next to the, what's this? The mat, right? Probably next to the mat. Okay, what about, what's this? Huh? What is that, Vic? A tree. Very good. And what about this one, Nuklan? What is this?
Bottle.
Ball.
Bar.
Very good. Well done. And what about limb? Limb. What's this? There's a lot. What's this, limb? What are these? Limoy. What's this? What are those? Grass. Grass. Very good. Well done. And what is the girl wearing yellow dress? What is she doing?
She is sitting on the mat.
Yes. Very good, Rabbit. Well done. Okay, so now let's go here. Who can tell me what this is?
It's the
Anyone?
no, I don't know.
Pine? Bunny? Vic, Rabbit, pine?
Pineapple.
Pineapple. Very good. Rabbit, Lim, and Nukman. Can you say pineapple? Pineapple. Very good. Number 2. What's this?
Fish.
Fish. Well done. And number 3.
Chip.
Không.
The bag.
Is
Viết
it
xuống.
a bag? Very good. Where did I put it here? What about picture 4?
The frog.
Very easy. Next one is this.
A dress.
A dress. Well done. And then this one.
Boat.
Boat. Can you try again? Say boat.
Boat.
Stop. Next one.
The jacket.
A jacket. Well done. A jacket. And then the last one. The last one. What is this?
Radio.
Okay, can you say it again?
Radio.
Radio.
Đây mẹ. Radio.
Again, try again. Radio.
Radio.
Radio. Okay. Lim, can you say radio? What about Muklan? Can you say radio?
Radio.
Radio. Very good. Okay. So now we are going to do something. Ta-da! All right. Who wants to tell me, can you put the pineapple next to the basket? Who can put the pineapple next to the basket? Oh, wow, very good, Rabbit. Only Rabbit.
Viết bài không sửa này cơ.
Well done. Okay. What about Vic? Can you put the fish in the pond? Can you put the fish in the pond? Control. Very good. Well done. Okay, Fanny, your turn. Can you put the bag under the tree? Let's see if you can. Wow. Let's see if you are correct. Well done. Right. What about the frog? Can you put the frog next to the pond or by the pond? Lim. Okay. Lim. Okay, very good. By the pond, anywhere. Anywhere next to the pond. Okay. What about Muklan? Can you put the boat in front of the duck? In front of the duck. The boat. The boat in front of the duck. Can you make a line? Can you draw a line?
Draw.
Okay, draw. Okay, it is. Who can help? Thank you, Rabbit. Let's see if you're correct. There, in front of the duck. Thank you. All right, next. Put the radio between the two women. Put the radio, women. Women. Very good, Vic and Rabbit. Good job. Okay, next. Put the jacket behind the boy. Put the jacket behind the ball. Very good, Rabbit. Behind. It's all right. At the back. Next, put the dress next to the blue ball. Put the dress next to a blue ball. Actually blue as well. But we can put the dress on in the water. Oh no.
Teacher.
There you are. Wow, you are so good. Well done. Okay, erase the line, please. Well done. Okay, homework. Vic, did you do your homework, Vic?
Yes, this is.
Say yes, I did.
Yes, I did.
Very good. Swandang is not here yet. Fanny, did you do your homework?
There. Yes, I did.
Yes, you did. Oh. What about Rabbit?
Yes, I did.
Very good. Lim, did you do your homework, Lim?
Yes, I do.
Say yes, I did. What about Muklan? Did you do your homework, Muklan?
Oh,
Yes or no?
yes.
Say yes, I did.
Yes, I did.
Very good. Uy, I like it. Good job, Muklan. Okay. Is this the right page?
No.
Yes, this is not the right page.
It's not right.
Yeah, it's not right. I know. I think I made a mistake. Okay, can you tell me what page?
98 and 99.
Thank you. I don't know why I didn't change it. I think I only copied this one last time. Hihihihi. Sorry po. Okay, 98. Thank you so much, Fanny. Okay, 98, 99. All right. Who? Yes, thank you so much. I did not change the number, the page. Sorry. Okay, who would like to volunteer to read about the flamingo? Who would like to volunteer to read? Vanny. Vanny, did you raise your hand? No. Can you read it for me?
Flamingo is very tall and beautiful bird. It is pink and it has got yellow eyes. It has got a long neck and long legs too. Look at this flamingo. You can only see one leg. It has got two legs, but it can stand on one leg. Flamingos like water. They can swim and they can fly too. The little baby birds are white.
Oh, so flamingos are pink, but if it is a small or a baby flamingo, what color is it?
White.
White. Can you believe that? That is so cool. Okay, now who can color flamingo pink? I don't have pink.
I don't have pink too.
I think you do. I think you do have pink. It is pink and it has got
Pink.
yellow eyes.
Half pink.
Half pink?
Yes.
Okay. Thank you, Rabbit.
What's my pen?
Okay,
Look
can
at this.
anyone, all right. Can anyone color the flamingo pink, please?
I don't have pink. Can I?
Okay. All right, Vanny. Thank you. And then what about the legs? What color are their legs?
White.
No pink? I think you have got pink. Let's see. I think you have pink. Yes, we do have pink. Yes, we do have pink. See?
You do have pink?
Yes, I think this one is pink, isn't it? Yeah, this one is pink.
Yes.
Okay, I can't color it. It's too much for me. Okay, anyway, no pink. Who wrote this one? I think that's Vic. Did you write that, Vic? Okay, it's okay. All right, now next thing is, okay, number 1. Let's answer this one because we read this one already. A flamingo is a bird. A flamingo is
Is long.
oh,
It's tall.
there's no tall. Eyes, pink, long, white leg.
Pink.
Pink.
Long
Very good. No, because it's asking about the appearance. So the flamingo is pink. Number 3, it has got yellow
Eyes.
eyes. Very good. Pink eyes. All right. What about number 4? A flamingo's legs are
Long.
long. What about yours, Vanny? Are your legs
Mine
long?
is short.
Yours is short. What about Vic? Are your legs long or short? Vic.
One leg.
Yeah. What about your legs? Are your legs long or short?
Long.
Long. Wow. So you are tall. Okay, number 5. Can you answer? Who wants to answer number 5? Okay, rabbit. Flamingos can? Yes, very good. One leg. What about number 6? Vic.
A baby flamingo is short. Is white. Is
White. Here, the little baby birds are white. All right. Thank you. Okay, finish writing?
Yes.
Finish checking? All right. Next one. Circle the N apostrophe T in these sentences.
Can I?
Yeah, sure. Very good, Vanny. All right. Well done, Vanny. Let me just...
Mày học hành bố mày nhớ ra cái gì? Mày cứ đi ra đi vào mai. Mày nha.
Very easy. Very, very easy. Okay, number 2, write the long form. A giraffe can swim. So it says a giraffe cannot swim. Remember, this is the short form. And the long form is I cannot. This is the long form. Ay, someone is answering already. Thank you.
It's me.
Oh, it was you. Why did you erase it? It's okay. All right, write the long form. A monkey can't fly.
Cho con dán nhiều cái này ở đây nhé.
A monkey, what is the long form? A monkey can
Fly.
How do you spell?
Monkey can fly.
The monkey can't
Can
fly. Okay, very good. Next one, number 3.
Cannot.
Can on. See, I told you you have to tell me. Why did I write can? It's supposed to be cannot. Thank you, Rabbit. It's supposed to be cannot. Okay, number 3. Number 3, a snake.
Cannot run.
Huh? A snake can run.
Cannot run.
I cannot. I think there is something wrong with my ear. I really need to clean my ear.
Cannot. Now
Cannot run. I.
It's O is sharp.
Oh, okay. It's too small. You want it a
Yeah.
okay. All right, number 4. Ngoklan. Ngoklan, number 4. A dog.
A dog can.
A dog cannot talk. Yay!
Talk.
Talk. Very good, Ngoklan. Well done. Okay, next one. So we have about you, about me. Circle what you can do and underline what you can't do. On your notebook, okay, your paper, not on the screen.
What?
Finish?
Finish.
Okay, finish. So you have to circle what you can do. Can you run?
Yes.
Yes. Walk?
Yes.
Yes, very good. Talk?
Yes.
Sing?
Yes. Yes.
Yes, very good. Fly?
No. Yes.
No. So underline. Very good. Climb? Yeah, I think climb we can. Swim?
Yes.
Play? Yes, play. Draw? Yes, of course you can draw. Right.
Yes.
Bonnie said yes. And then lead. Lead the way. Like, for example, a leader.
Read.
Yes. Can you do it? Can you lead?
Read. Teacher, I can do. Teacher, I can run, I can walk, I can talk, I can sing, I can clap, I can scream, I can run, I can draw, I can write, I can read, and I can't fly.
Oh, but can't fly. Okay, well, only one thing that you cannot do. Okay, draw and write about what you can and can't do.
Teacher, look at my phone.
Well, I can see your laptop.
Teacher, do you see my homework?
No. Let's see your homework.
Do you see it?
No, I can't. Okay, draw about and write about what you can do and can't do. Anything, any but
It's right.
all right. So who would like to read the other? Who would like to take a nap? Take a nap. Who draw? What's take a nap? Draw the other side, the left and the right side.
Look at me, a rocket.
Yes, you are in the outer space. You're not supposed to have a rocket because you're at the beach. Oh.
I have heart.
You're in love. Okay, Rabbit, what is it? A can or can't? Huh? Rabbit, what is this? Is it what you call that? A Barbie doll?
Yes.
Yes.
I
Then
will talk.
what about Vic? Like and dislike.
Helicopter.
This pointed. Okay, which one do you want? Oh, Vic. Vic is goodness. Okay. What do you think you can do? I can
like the swim.
I like to swim.
Yeah.
I can. What else? I can what else? Bunny, rabbit, Nuklan, Lim.
I can play. I can
I can.
walk.
Yes, very good. I can play with my what who? Rabbit. I can play with my what's her name? Hi. What's the name of that
Play with my sister.
sister? I can play with my sister. As long as you are gentle with your sister. How old is your sister?
Is yeah.
Okay, 8 years old?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. All right. But I can't what? I can't fly. And I can't what else? I can't anyone think I can fly and I can
Can
sorry. I can't hear you. I can't fly. I can
swim.
you can swim. Or maybe some of you can't
I
swim.
can sing.
Maybe you don't know how to really read.
I can't sing.
I can't sing. Yes, probably. Okay, everybody, you can draw or show me your drawing first before we proceed. Nothing? Okay, for our sight word.
I would this.
Okay, everybody sight word this. Hi. Limoy, unmute your microphone, please. Okay, sight word this.
This boy has a wagon. He likes this wagon. This girl likes to jump rope.
Very good.
This boy has a football. He likes to play football.
Very good.
This girl has a dog. She loves to play with her dog.
She loves to play with her. Well done. Only Vanya. What about the rest? Oh, do you want to try? Okay, Rabbit wants to try again.
This boy, I was this. This boy has a
Wagon.
wagon. He likes his wagon. This girl To jump
Rope.
rope.
Very good. Next.
Boy has a football. He likes to play football. This girl has a dog. She loves to play with her dog.
Very good. Thank you so much. Okay. So now this is the last part of our homework. Read and color. Look at the picture. Read the sentences and write can or can't. Color the picture any color if the answer is can. Color the object. Color the whole picture with red if the answer is can. Okay.
Can. Yeah.
Number 1. Frogs.
Can. Yeah.
Yay, very good. Okay, Joe. Who can color the frog?
Red and yellow.
Okay, number 2. Horses blank very fast.
Yeah.
Horses, huh?
Can run very fast.
Horses can or can't?
Cannot.
Can. Number 3. A bear.
A bear. Can.
Yes, very good, Vanny. Thank you, buddy. Uh-oh.
An elephant.
Okay, number 4. An elephant can. Very good. Number 5.
A
A
camel.
camel.
Camel can drink a lot of water.
What? Yes, well done. Number 6. A donkey. What about the donkey, everyone? A donkey. Monkey. Why is it that I always... Monkey. What about the monkey?
Monkey can.
Yeah, can. Because monkey is a mammal.
Monkey's a mammal?
Yes. Like
Really?
us, like human, mammal, like tiger, cat, they call mammals. Animals that lay like not an egg. Okay, animals that's not laying eggs. Okay, number 7, ducks. Ducks blank climb.
No, the duck
No,
can't.
very can. That's a very big can. Bats blank fly. Huh? Bats can or can't fly?
Can.
Where?
Fly.
Bats can
fly.
fly. Only Vanny and Vic. Okay. So now let's go with our Jolly Phonics. How did you know the sound?
Hello, teacher.
Jolly Phonics. Okay.
I.
Everybody, please.
A.
Hey.
Oi.
Moklan and Lim. Vic. Oi.
Oi.
Ôi rồi ơi.
R. R.
R.
Car.
R. Very good. Next.
O.
Oh, well done.
Mm.
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 Okay, two sounds. Okay.
U. U.
U.
E. Or.
Or.
Ooh. Ooh.
Very good.
Shh. V. 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 Qua. Ch.
What's this?
Ow.
Ow.
Y.
Huh?
Y.
Yeah. And
E.
E. Well done. And
Z.
zebra. Okay, now let's try.
Rim. Cod.
Everybody say
Rim.
rim. Rabbit, bunny, milkland, pig, and limb.
Cod.
Cod.
Nap.
Everybody say nap.
Nap.
You want to be
Pup.
a
Pup.
recipe?
Mill.
Mill. Everybody, limb, pig, milkland, bunny, and rabbit.
Pool.
Oh, very good.
Cluck.
Pluck.
Brook.
Broke. Brook. Brook.
Cheek. Brook.
Brook.
Cheek.
Paris.
Cheek. Sheriff.
Sheriff. Well done. Who said sheriff?
Me said sheriff.
Well done. Okay, let's try again.
Rim.
Wow.
Everybody, rim. What's this? Pod. Yes, very good. Nap. What's this? Pop. Mill. Very good. Vic.
Pool.
Pool.
Pool. Cluck.
Cluck.
Cluck. Cluck.
Very good.
Brook. Brook.
Brook.
Brook.
Brook. Next.
Chick.
Chick. Well done. And then one last.
Sheriff.
Sheriff. Very easy. Itsy bitsy.
Easy. Lemon squeeze.
Lemon
R. 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 R.
R. How do you write the word R? The sounds R. Anyone?
R.
Huh? Anyone? No one knows. R. R.
Người ta thì học trong thì
Okay, very good. Next one.
Can I write? Yes, I can.
Like nga. Mm.
But I
How do you write that?
But I have it already.
Yes, very good, Bunny. Okay, next one.
Shh. Shh.
Can you write Vic?
Shh. Shh.
Oh, Vani already. Thank you, Vani. Next one.
Oh, I got time for Miss Em.
Ch.
Vic. How do you write that one? Yes, well done. It's so easy. I told you.
Easy lemon squeezy.
Easy peasy. Next.
mm, mm, mm,
No,
mm, mm,
no.
mm.
Wow.
Remember we have two? Yes, very good. It's T and H. Mm. Huh? It's the same thing with TH, not P. All right, very good. Next. Everybody
Wow.
was. Bunny, Rabbit, Nuklan, Lim, Vic, was.
Was.
No, 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 no.
Said,
No. Yeah.
here,
Here.
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 to.
No. Two.
Thì nhưng mà lúc cô không.
What is this? All, very good.
Oh. Do.
No.
Do.
Do.
No.
Do.
Your.
Your.
There, very good.
Are.
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 You.
You. So.
Some and
Come.
come. Very good. Okay. So now
They, they,
they. Okay.
they,
Let's see. Oh, so this is the tricky word, they.
they,
Naruto à?
Okay, next one. Can you copy the word? Who can copy and trace? Oh, hello, Swandang.
Hello, teacher.
How are you today?
I'm happy.
You're happy. That's good. Okay, let's. Thank you.
Thật sự là chị đang học bài hay là chị đang
Okay, very good. And then next one. Can you try again?
copy? Yes. Quên kìa. Quên chưa kìa.
Okay, let's check. Oh, wow, wow. Uh-oh. Who wrote this one? Not really the same.
What the
some,
Okay. Listen, read, and reveal.
some,
Where is the word some? Some. Everybody encircle the
Here.
words. Yes, well done.
come, come,
Here.
Wow, very good.
there,
There.
here,
Đây.
Here.
Đây.
they,
Good.
they,
Here.
Wow. Next.
you,
Đây.
your, said, said,
And
Yes.
very good. It's so easy. Okay. So since we are done with our
Em bố chị về
Jolly Phonics, we are going to take a breakfast. Okay. I'll see you later, everyone.
Hello to everyone.
What happened?
What happened?
Hey.
Đó.
Bởi
Anh chơi lá cờ ấy. Mày giỏi phết, mày chơi lá cờ.
Ok em không? Đang về khoảng. Không cho khoảng khoảng cho em. Làm sao tí đâu mà
Con chơi gì? Tôi im mom. Chú nghe từ im mom mới xấu à. Đây từ dưới là phía. Từ dưới là phía. Thôi tôi tắt máy đi. Học. Thôi đi trong 3 giây. Có đứa nào vào học. Bây giờ đang nghỉ giải lao mà. Thì mình nghỉ giải lao sớm ấy mà. Thì cháu vào muộn mà. Tự nhiên cho chị đọc. Nghỉ giải lao 5 phút nha anh em. Anh nhìn này. Sắp hết nghỉ giải lao rồi anh em ơi. Mày robot thì thành Ly của mình tắt bay của mình có thì yêu và đi của mình Nguyên Xuân Đặng quá tờ ta không phải Nguyên Xuân Đặng đâu. Nguyên Xuân Đặng cái này mà mình uống cái này ứng dụng đi hiệu ứng đột đi ra gì nên có tờ phải tải thôi đi hết kẻ đập rồi không có không tải được sắp hết nghỉ ra anh em có mấy người ta hết ra cái này có 6 phút thôi chứ nó tính thêm cả 0 phút nữa mà sao mình không chơi game mở cờ hết cờ rồi đi Trình đến rồi Thiên ơi đúng đừng còn nói nữa người ta nhã phải tuổi là một con trồn biết nói chuyện đố mày ít sinh Ok, thế rồi.
Yay, we're back.
Ôi.
Everyone.
Ôi ơi.
Good. Okay, you're here. Oh, Swandang is here. What happened, Swandang? Why are you late?
I
Huh?
sleep.
Oh, you were sleeping. Oh, sorry. Okay, it's okay.
Rồi.
But did you do your homework, Swandang?
Yes.
Yes. Okay. Thank you. So only Anzwang is not here today, but it's okay.
We can play a game.
Yes, yes, I forgot that we're going to play a game. Okay, just get your book. Okay. So since I forgot that we have to play a game, thank you for reminding me. Okay. Okay, which one? What game do you want to play?
Basketball.
Oh, yes. Remember we said we're going to play basketball on Tuesday. Okay.
I like soccer. Play soccer.
Soccer or basketball? You said basketball.
This is Wednesday, not Tuesday.
No, today is Tuesday.
Really?
Yes. Okay, how many teams?
Không phải.
1 team or 2 teams?
16.
Huh? 16 teams?
2 teams. 2 teams.
2 teams. Okay, students, what character would you like?
I like pizza.
Okay.
Pizza.
Okay, Bear versus Miss May. I am going to defeat you. I am gonna be a hot dog. Hot dog, hot diggy dog. Okay. Let's see.
Xem thôi nhá, đừng có nói gì.
Okay. Students, can you have a mouse as a pet?
Yes. No.
Yes. You don't like? But yes, you can.
Number 2.
Oh. Okay.
Oh my gosh.
Can live in the ocean? No, they can't. They can't.
Oh my. What?
Goat climb.
No.
Are you sure?
What a sleep.
Yes, they can. Goats can climb.
Yes.
Yes, it's
Really?
true. Yes. Yes.
Really?
Goats can climb. Yes, absolutely.
Really?
Yes, goats can climb. Okay, number
Number 3. 3. 3.
What? Well done. Can some geckos lose their tails?
Yes.
Yes. Yeah, that is true. Yes, I can. Number or power up?
Number 1.
Power up. Okay, Nguklan said power up. Cool down or block?
6, 7. Cái này chú không xem được.
Number 1.
Number 1.
Yes.
Nó cho rồi như kiểu chú ấy.
Yes.
Cậu Mai.
Okay, students. Can bear cook pancakes?
Yes.
Ah,
Yes.
No.
no, bears can cook. No, they can't. You are very silly.
Silly.
Number 3.
Oh, Vic wants the power up.
Yes. Lock. Lock.
Five. Five.
5.
Number 5.
5.
Nó đổi hình lên đây đấy.
Oh no. Okay. Birds can make other animals angry. Huh? Birds can make other animals angry. Yes, they can. No, they.
I can.
Oh, it's true. Yes, they can annoy other animals too. Okay, what number?
You choose.
Oh, it's mine. It's mine. It's mine.
Number
It's
1.
mine.
1.
Yes. Yes, yes, yes. Can hippos swim?
Yes.
Yes, of course. Huh? No, they can't swim, but they can walk underwater.
Wow. Nước tôm mà
Yes. They cannot swim. They only walk underwater.
But some people can swim.
No, they can't swim.
The hippo
They're too big. No, they're too
Some
big to
people can.
swim. The hippos are too big to swim.
Some hippos can.
No.
Number 4. 4.
Is hippo a mammal?
Yes, a hippo is a mammal. What? You've got 9 points already.
Ew.
Okay, can birds be friends with crocodile?
No.
No.
Ah, yes, they can.
Really?
Yes, because you know what? Listen, because the birds usually clean mouth of.
The crocodiles.
Yes, they clean. They all get all the cavities. You know, like the dirt in their
The
mouth.
bird is like the dentist.
Yes, exactly, Fanny.
Ai về dỗ phụ nha con. Dạ vâng ạ. Vừa lại anh để anh
Ding 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 ding. Ding 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 ding.
Wow, can crocodiles play tennis?
No.
Oh my god.
Of course they
No.
can.
Dinosaurs.
A dinosaur?
7. Number 4. Number 4.
7.
4.
Climb things in a house. Yeah. Or 7. Let's try 7. Oh, it's a tie. Yes. Yay, we are the same. We both win the game.
Hai người thắng.
Yes, we both win the game. Okay, everyone, please open your book. Okay, so now we are going to learn can and can't.
Quiz.
Can and can't. Okay. All right, can you read this one for me, please?
A bird can fly. I can fly. I
Next.
can run. A snake can run.
Very good. Okay, so when we say can, it means you are able to do something. Okay, example, a bird can fly, which is true. It can fly. Allison can run. She can run. Me, can't means no. You are not able to do something. For example, snake can't run because they don't have legs. Jamie can't fly. Or like Vic can't fly because he doesn't have wings. Okay. Can't and cannot are the long form of can't. Okay. Okay, so now let's do this one. True or false? Number 2. Everyone, number 2. Everybody answer number 2. Who wants to answer number 2? Okay, Rabbit.
Rabbit.
Can you read a monkey?
A monkey can't sing. A monkey can't sing.
A monkey can sing. Can or can't? Yes, true or false?
Can't. True.
True. This is true. And then false. Monkey can sing. A monkey can sing, it's false. A monkey can sing, which is true.
Yeah.
Number 3. Who would like to answer number 3? Swandang.
A snake can me.
Swandang, number 3.
A fish can swim. T. A fish.
True.
True. A fish can't swim. F.
False.
False.
Very good. Number 4. Who would like to answer number 4? What? All right, pick.
Nobody.
Itoy, number 4.
Parrot.
True.
Mất tay rồi.
A parrot can swim?
Để tương ứng cho con.
False.
Teacher ơi.
Parrot can swim, which is true. Okay, Lim. Lim Oy, number 5. A snake can run. True or false? Lim Oy. A snake can run. True or false? Okay, false. Tiger can't run. Tiger can run. Yes, very good, Rabbit. That is correct. Okay, everybody write in your book.
Naruto.
Ngoklan, where is your camera, Ngoklan?
I'm here.
Bên kia. Đừng có nói quay.
Okay, finish writing.
Ta với phòng.
Okay, next one.
Anh mời bộ anh
Write the words in the correct order. Zebra can fly. A zebra can fly. Number 2.
Con chút xíu đấy.
Everybody, number 2. Mani, Lim, Ngoklan, Vic, Rabbit, Swanda.
A fish can't walk.
Very good. Next,
A monkey.
number 3.
A monkey can run.
Very good. Only Swandang. What about the rest? Number 4.
A parrot can't swim.
What about number 5?
A cat can't talk.
Very good. Well done, Swandam. Next.
Alison can play.
Very good. Well done, Vic. All right. Everybody make sure to write this one in your book. Okay, next one. We have a lot to answer. Right, can, or can't?
Monkey can walk.
Okay, number 2, Vic.
James can
Jamie.
James can
Jamie.
Jamie can swim. They don't have a mom.
A fish. Vic, finish it. Jamie can swim. A fish.
Can swim.
A fish?
A fish can't.
Can. Okay, number 3, Vanny. Vanny.
Yes.
Number 3. Vanny, can you answer number 3, please?
Jamie can run.
A snake?
And I can't run.
Can't. Very good. Number 4, rabbit. All right, very good. And then can't fly. Well done. Good job. It's very easy. It's very easy. Okay, now write true sentences. So we have a lot of things to do. We have a lot of activities. Okay, birds sing. A bird can sing. Number 2, a monkey can't fly. Number 3, excuse me. A bird
Can't run. A bird can't run.
very good.
Run.
Very
A
good, Lynn. A monkey
A monkey can climb.
yeah, well done. Number 5,
A bird can fly.
can fly. Very good. Next,
A monkey can run.
monkey can run.
Yes.
Okay. Okay, number 7,
A bird can't climb.
yes. Number 8,
A monkey can't sing.
yes, can't sing. It's very easy, right? Is it
Yeah.
easy? Yeah,
Yeah.
it's very easy. Okay, next one. Tick and write about you. Okay? Okay, what about you? Okay, let me ask. Okay, this one is Vani. Who else? Lim,
Me.
Ngoklan.
Lim. Tập đàn.
Who else?
Me. Bắc
Who's
Ninh.
me?
Bắc Ninh. Me. Bắc Ninh.
Swandang.
Bắc
And
Ninh.
Rajas, who else? Huh? Mink or rabbit? Okay, let's have Vic. Okay, Vani. Vani, can and can't.
No.
I can or I can't. Vani.
Nắp không?
Vani, oi. Vani. Vani, what can you do? What can't you do?
Đâu với người.
I can talk, run, fly, walk, sing, swim, or I can talk.
Sao đây?
I can't
Hai cái này ra.
fly.
Nhưng mà tay
No, you can't fly. Stop joking. You can.
em đã chia tay anh.
Okay, limb. Limb.
Dài chàng tốt. To roam. It has roam. It has roam.
All right. I can talk, run, fly, walk, sing, swim. Swim. All right. Swim. Ngoklan. Ngoklan ơi. Okay, Swandang first. Swandang.
Khi em đã yêu anh mà I can sing. I can swim.
I can swim. You can swim too. Okay. Ay, this is Ngoklan. Okay, what about Vic? Vic ơi.
I can swim. I can sing. I can sing. Con của chú lợi hại lắm. I can't sing.
I can sing. Okay, well done. I can't sing. Very good, very easy. Okay, so the same thing with the question. Can it fly? Yes, it can. So this is the question form. Okay, if you want to ask some, for example, Swandam, can you run?
Yes.
Yes, I can.
Yes, I can.
Very good. So that is how you ask question using can. All right. All right. For your homework, so we're gonna do page 17.
I have robot.
Okay. So now let's see if you can actually. Where is it? Okay, everybody, please ask your mom or your dad's assistants. Everybody.
I don't have mom and dad.
Okay, ask your mom or your dad if you can, but if you can't, it's okay.
I don't have mom and dad.
Who's
I'm
with you?
in my grandma's house.
Oh, okay. Maybe you can do it, Swandang. Do you want to try?
No. Yes.
It's okay. You can try. Okay, go to chat box. Go to chat box, Swandang.
Nói là zoom cho con.
And then click. Teacher may send a link. Click.
I don't know.
You don't know? It's okay. Okay, so we have, who is 173594? I know. Who is the other one? Bunny, very good. Who's the other one? Is it rabbit?
Lim.
Or
Đừng ra.
rabbit is here. So who's the one? It's either Noplan or Lim or Swandang. Swandang did not join because he doesn't know how to.
Oh no.
Yeah, okay, it's okay.
Sao lại chiếu lên, sao lại quằn lên thế này? Ôi.
6 7 ấy. Ê, một cái tàu xe nhá. Có mạng rồi cháu. Kia đi. Hết kỳ giải nào. Ui 76 này. 67 này. Ê, trò chơi gì á? Trò chơi 30 triệu. Nói nó ghi như nào? Là sao? Hỏi. Trò như nào? Nghĩ là ghi như nào? Đi này, mở ra nhá. Đây chữ phở.
Tinh tỏng, tinh địch địch. Không.
số 7 này.
Okay, rabbit is finished. Who is this green one? Anyone? Who is the green one?
Is
Is it
Bunny?
No, I have here Vani as well. Who is Chip V?
Lim?
Lim. Okay. Okay, only Vani's. Rabbit, Pig, and Lim are finished.
Number 0.
Is it
khác. Ê, đi con xem mấy bọn này lên phôi này. Em còn thấy là mình con này gần thắng rồi đây này, nó ra lên rồi.
Okay. Vani is finished. Okay. Who's the first one? Oh, Vani!
Oh,
wow! Well done! Vani got the top one. Okay, Vani. Okay, well done, Vani. Okay, so since we are finished, you did very good.
11 câu.
Well done.
11
Okay.
câu.
Try and how to I want to
Goodbye.
no, not yet. I want to okay, later. I'm gonna do this one later. Okay, give me 1 second. Give me 1 second, everyone. Okay, good job. All right, so now let's move on. So we don't have really much time. So let's proceed to our sight word.
Help.
Help.
Happy.
This boy
Boy a wagon.
He like wagon.
This girl like to jump rope. This boy has
A football. He like to play
football.
Oh, I didn't change
This
it.
girl has
a
a
dog.
dog.
She loves to play with her
With
dog.
her dog.
The sight word. Oh no, my mistake. But we're gonna review it next week. Okay, thank you so much everyone for today. I'll see you again next
I
time.
needed my biscuit.
Bye.
Goodbye.
Good night, everyone. Mwah.
Goodbye.